You just landed in Mexico. The airport is packed. Everyone around you is speaking Spanish fast. A taxi driver walks up to you and says something. You freeze, you smile, you have absolutely no idea what he just said. That moment right there does not have to happen to you. Today, we are giving you the exact Spanish phrases you need for your trip to Mexico. Simple, short, real. Phrases that Mexicans actually use every single day. Before we jump in, if you are new here, welcome to English and Spanish Cafe. We teach you real, everyday Spanish in the simplest way possible. Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss a lesson. It is completely free and it truly helps us keep going.
We post every single week, and every episode is made for beginners just like you. Now, let us get into it.
Welcome back to English and Spanish Cafe. I am your host, and with me today is my co-host joining us from Spain.
Hola, everyone. And yes, I know today is about Mexico, and I am from Spain, but I love this topic because Mexican Spanish is beautiful, warm, and so full of personality. And most of these phrases work everywhere in the Spanish-speaking world.
Today, we are keeping everything A1 and A2 level. Short phrases, easy words, real Spanish that you can pull out the moment you step off the plane in Mexico City, Cancun, or anywhere else in Mexico.
No complicated grammar, no long sentences, just simple and useful Spanish, starting right now.
First phrase, and honestly, the most important phrase you will ever need in any country. Where is the bathroom?
¿Dónde está el baño? Where is the bathroom? ¿Dónde means where, está means is, el baño means the bathroom. 3 simple parts. Say it together and you will never be in a desperate situation again.
Repeat after me. ¿Dónde está el baño? ¿Dónde está el baño?
You are at a market in Mexico. You see something beautiful. You need to know the price. What do you say?
¿Cuánto cuesta? How much does it cost? You already know this one from our market episode. But in Mexico, it is absolutely everywhere. Markets, street food, taxis, shops. You will use this one every single day.
Repeat. ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuesta?
And in Mexico, the currency is pesos. So when they answer, you might hear numbers with pesos. 100 pesos means 100 pesos. 50 pesos means 50 pesos. Good to know.
You arrive at your hotel. The person at the front desk looks at you. Here is your opening phrase.
Una habitación, por favor. A room, please. Una means one. Habitación means room. Por favor means please. Short, polite, and immediately understood at any hotel in Mexico.
Show it. Una habitación, por favor. Una habitación, por favor.
And if you want to ask if they have rooms available, you can say, ¿Tiene habitaciones disponibles? Do you have rooms available? A little longer, but very useful when you walk in without a reservation.
You are in a taxi. You do not know the address in Spanish. You have it on your phone. Here is all you need to say.
¿Me puede llevar aquí? Can you take me here? Me puede llevar means can you take me? Aquí means here. You show them your phone screen and say, ¿Me puede llevar aquí? And point at the map. Done. No Spanish address needed.
Repeat this one. ¿Me puede llevar aquí? ¿Me puede llevar aquí?
This phrase works every time. Taxi drivers in Mexico are used to tourists. Show the map, say the phrase, and you are on your way.
Okay, this one might actually save your life in Mexico.
Mexican food is incredible, but it can be very spicy. So if you cannot handle the heat, you need to say, sin picante, por favor. Without spice, please. Sin means without, picante means spicy, por favor means please.
Repeat, sin picante, por favor. Sin picante, por favor.
And if you love spice, you can say con mucho picante, por favor, with lots of spice, please. Either way, you are covered.
You are doing so well, halfway through already. If this episode is helping you get ready for your trip to Mexico, please subscribe to English and Spanish Cafe right now. We drop new episodes every single week, all designed for beginners exactly like you.
Leave us a like as well. It helps so many more people find this channel and start learning Spanish for their trips. We really appreciate it.
5 more phrases. These are the ones that will make you feel truly confident out there. Let us go.
If you are heading to Cancun or any beach town in Mexico, this one is essential.
¿Dónde está la playa? Where is the beach? La playa means the beach. You already know ¿dónde está means where is, so you can swap the last word for anything. ¿Dónde está el mercado? Where is the market? ¿Dónde está el hotel? Where is the hotel? One structure, endless uses.
Repeat.
¿Dónde está la playa? ¿Dónde está la playa? ¿Dónde está la playa?
This is one of the most flexible phrases in the whole episode. Learn the structure, and you can ask where anything is.
You are standing in front of a beautiful pyramid in Chichen Itza. You want a photo. Here is how you ask someone to take it for you.
Una foto, por favor. A photo, please. Una foto means one photo. Por favor means please. You hand someone your phone, smile, and say, una foto, por favor. That is genuinely all you need.
Say it. Una foto, por favor. Una foto, por favor.
Mexicans are incredibly warm and generous people. Someone will always be happy to help you take that perfect photo.
Sometimes you are going to get lost. It happens to everyone. Here is how you say it, so someone can help you find your way.
Estoy perdido. I am lost. Estoy means I am. Perdido means lost. If you are a woman, you would say estoy perdida. Just one small change at the end. Say this to anyone nearby and they will immediately try to help you find your way.
Repeat. Estoy perdido. Estoy perdido.
And after you say it, you can show your phone map or say the name of the place you are looking for. People in Mexico are incredibly kind to tourists who are trying.
You walk into a cafe in Mexico City. First thing you want to know?
¿Hay Wi-Fi aquí? Is there Wi-Fi here? I means is there or there is. Wi-Fi is the same word. Aquí means here. 3 simple words and you are connected. This one works in any cafe, restaurant, or hotel in Mexico.
Repeat. ¿Hay Wi-Fi aquí? ¿Hay Wi-Fi aquí?
And when they give you the password, they will say, la contraseña es, which means the password is. So listen for those words and you are all set.
And your final phrase. This is what you say at the end of your trip when you are leaving and you want to express how much you loved it.
Fue un viaje increíble. It was an incredible trip. Fue means it was. Un viaje means a trip. Increíble means incredible. Say this to your taxi driver on the way to the airport. Say it to the hotel staff. Say it to anyone who made your trip special. It will mean everything to them.
Say it with feeling. Fue un viaje increíble. Fue un viaje increíble.
That phrase right there closes your trip in the most beautiful way possible. And I promise you, the people who hear it will never forget you said it.
Final recap. I say it in English, you say the Spanish out loud before the answer comes. Ready? Let us go. Where is the bathroom?
¿Dónde está el baño?
How much does it cost?
¿Cuánto cuesta?
A room, please.
Una habitación, por favor.
Can you take me here?
¿Me puede llevar aquí?
Without spice, please.
Sin picante, por favor.
Where is the beach?
¿Dónde está la playa?
A photo, please.
Una foto, por favor.
I am lost.
Estoy perdido.
Is there Wi-Fi here?
¿Hay Wi-Fi aquí?
It was an incredible trip.
Fue un viaje increíble.
Mexico is one of the most beautiful countries in the world. The food, the people, the culture, the colors. And when you show up with even just a few Spanish phrases, the whole experience changes completely. People open up, doors open, connections happen that would never happen otherwise.
Spanish is not just a language. In Mexico, it is a way of showing respect and love for the culture. Even just trying means everything to the people you meet there. So try. Always try.
Here is your challenge today. Go to the comments right now and tell us, where in Mexico are you planning to visit? Write it in the comments. We want to know. And if you can, write it in Spanish.
We read every single comment. Every one. We would love to see yours down there.
If this episode helped you at all, please subscribe to English and Spanish Cafe. Leave a like and share this with someone who is planning a trip to Mexico right now. It truly means the world to us.
Hasta luego, amigos.
See you in the next one.